Welcome back to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I am here to get you caught up on everything that moved the markets today. Remember, Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's dive in. The conversation on social media is dominated by a few key players today. First, IREN is seeing significant pressure, down over 10% after news surfaced that Meta plans to sell excess cloud capacity, which investors fear could hurt IREN's pricing power. On top of that, the company is facing heat over a massive $800 million stock grant to its co-CEOs, which has left shareholders feeling sidelined. Robinhood is moving in the other direction, up nearly 4% after hosting its The World is Flat event, where the company unveiled a new blockchain platform and a suite of AI-powered trading tools. Analysts at firms like Mizuho are responding with price target hikes, viewing the company as a potential global leader in brokerage technology. Meanwhile, Tesla is down about 7% today. This is a classic sell the news reaction. Even though Tesla reported a blowout second quarter with deliveries crushing analyst expectations, the stock had already rallied significantly in anticipation, leading investors to lock in profits. Finally, CRWV is down about 5%, and Micron is sliding over 5% as well. Both are feeling the weight of broader tech sector weakness and concerns about potential competition from hyperscalers like Meta, while Micron specifically is dealing with profit-taking after its massive run-up and some lingering regulatory noise. Looking at the broader market, it was a mixed day to wrap up the holiday-shortened week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average managed to climb over 1% to hit yet another record high, showing some resilience. However, the S&P 500 finished essentially flat, and the Nasdaq Composite dropped nearly 1% as tech stocks struggled. The big story here was the June jobs report, which showed hiring slowed down significantly. While that initially gave investors some hope that it might cool off the Fed's interest rate stance, the weakness in the tech sector, particularly among chip makers, weighed heavily on the Nasdaq and kept the market's gains in check. In the AI economy, the focus remains on the shift toward agentic AI and inference workloads. While we are seeing volatility in pure-play infrastructure providers, the broader thesis remains that the build-out is far from over. Companies are reallocating budgets toward new AI capabilities, and we are seeing that manifest in both job market shifts and continued capital expenditure in data centers, even as the market digests the current valuation of these tech leaders. In other notable moves, we saw some interesting action in the logistics and biotech spaces. HUBG Group is seeing some noise following ongoing legal developments related to its financial reporting, while HUBG saw a nice 6% gain today as investors look ahead to its upcoming interim results. Bitmine Immersion Technologies also ticked up slightly, though investors are keeping a close eye on their crypto holdings. That is a wrap for today's market action. We saw the Dow hit a new record while tech took a breather, and we saw some major reactions to news in the EV and brokerage spaces. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which sectors or stocks you want me to cover next. And for stock recommendations, remember to visit Fintwit.ai. Have a great holiday weekend, and I will see you back here on the next episode of Finpod.